If you are not taking guidance from the Quran, now they look, the Satan has come. He will make you into a sect and they will make you a party. They are practicing Satanism. There is a party of Shaitan. So the Muslim community identify this, or Muslim sect identify this and does not want to become the sect of Shaitan because they are losers. And Allah says in the Quran, only the messengers and Allah Himself will overcome. La aglibanna ana wa rasuli. Definitely Allah and Messenger will overcome. Only Allah is powerful and mighty. So now Muslims do not take the guidance from the ayahs, so they can fall in the category where Shaitan will make them to follow and will make a party of Satan. And once you follow the Shaitan rules and regulation, you are a loser in the long run. The Satan dominated over them, so the Satan made them forget the reminder or the remembrance of Allah. Whatever the essence that is coming to you, if you keep on forgetting, if you don't revise it in the Salah or otherwise as well, by taking the guidance and the essence, you will fall into Satan's footsteps. Definitely. So you'll come to know I am following the Shaitan, and Shaitan makes you loser. So Allah and His Messenger will overcome.